So it's often difficult for corporates to get their work visas for various factors. It could be because documentation is not being procured in a timely manner. It could also be the requirements of the documentation. So for example, certain documents need to be legalized, and that process in itself takes quite a bit of time. It could also be because of the planning. So a lot of the time corporates don't necessarily foresee the processing time of the immigration process itself, and also the issuance of the visa. So these are all factors that could influence the visas being issued.
Well, first of all, they could use IBN services. So we are quite experienced in this regard because it's our day-to-day. So we deal with lots of work visa applications. I mean, on average, a consultant would deal with over 100 to 200 cases a month. So we're familiar with the process timelines. We are familiar with the documentation requirements, also the format that the documents need to be in. And we are then able to give a comprehensive overview to the client and also guide them through this process to be able to meet the timelines and to get their corporate into South Africa as soon as possible. So each case matters to us. So it's a very personal approach from IBN. Myself as a consultant, I would be in communication with either the corporate HR or the assignee, and we would communicate then on timeline basis, document requirements, and I'm also always just an email or a telephone call away should they need to contact me for anything.